So, hi, I'm David Shorey. This is my booth. I do 3D printing on fabric. So everything that you see here is 3D printed on, say, like a fabric or adding rings. So I'm printing down, adding fabric, and then printing again. And that way the 3D print is actually merged in with the fabric. It's oozing through the fabric to hold it down. So both of these dresses that you see on either side, there is no sewing and no glue involved in the creation of those. So it's all me adding the rings after the fact and putting the things down. So I also add rings into things. So the spikes are done the exact same way. Wow. They're printed 2 layers, then I put the fabric down, and then I continue them, and this comes off the printer as one piece. So there's no post-assembly on this or the dragon skin.
Wow. You'll be doing this live all week, right?
Yes, I will be.
Yeah.
So
you come back and
learn
how.
So did you make your own slicer for it, or are you using existing?
I'm using existing slicers. I both use Simplify and Cura for the slicers, and what I do now is I actually create 2 separate G-codes. So as you can see there on the printer, I will print 2 layers and then it will stop and retract. I'll put the fabric down and then have a second G-code that has the rest of the file and be printing onto the fabric. So I literally tape it down with blue tape. Other questions?
How did you close it up?
How do I what?
How did you close up the dress all the way around? Since it's
The dress, I'm actually printed areas for the holes, and then I use jump rings to actually connect each piece together. So there's over 1,000 rings in that dress. So I'm trading off time for quality.
I'm not sewing.
Yeah, not sewing. I'm not
sewing. Wish you would have done that.
I'm not adding anything into the equation that I can mess up by hand or glue myself to myself. You know.
I learned the hard way.
Yeah.
Oh, but the scales are beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. That's
Thank you.